What's up, YouTube? Welcome to my channel, ESY Youngsters. This is where we do a lot of gun range, gun videos, gun builds, gun shows. So y'all stay tuned, man. This is what we got for today. We got the Draco, the big boy Draco. We got two 12-gauge shotguns. This one's gonna be a sawed-off Mossberg 500. Then we got the Remington 870 Police Magnum, you know, with the foldable stock. Right here we got the Glock 43. You know, can't forget about the Glock 43, man. Custom. Over here we got the Glock 20 10 milli. You know, there's not no mosquito bites with flashlight. We got the Glock 19 right here with the stendo. And then we also got the Glock 27 Gen 4, you know, with that 40 in there. It's not gonna be a real crazy day today. We just gonna get, you know, a couple boxes. You know, one box of 12 gauge, two boxes of 9mm, you know, just something slight. And y'all stay tuned, man. I'm gonna just show y'all a range real quick. Just give you a little demonstration. It literally took us about 20 minutes to make this, nothing too crazy. If we should improve, what else y'all wanna see? You know, I'm just trying to improve also on my channel, get better at what I'm doing, and also show you guys some things that you guys haven't seen. Y'all stay tuned. Thank you. All right, it's gonna be my turn to try out this 12 gauge. We learned up some bird shot. Damn, what the fuck? It's gonna be my turn to try out this 12 gauge. Let's load it up. Get it ready. Hold sick. Try to do this real quick for y'all.
Man, to be honest, out of that one and this one right here, I like shooting that one better.
Yeah, this one you can actually get.
Yeah.
Oh, there goes 6 right there.
Alright, man.
Alright, y'all follow me. Alright, so remember, ear and protection first. We got one in the head. Let's do it.
Y'all think he hit anything? Let us know in the comments. Ooh, okay. Dang, that was dirt. Damn, that's all dirt, bro. Okay, I think that hit. He's all out. Let us know what you think. How to shoot.
Hey, this Remington, I really like this because, you know, like we saying, it's got the foldable stock. And then when you're ready to shoot, you know, you get it ready. Point, aim.
Yeah, for that thing right there, you can either use it as, you know, for range day or as self-defense. You know, a home weapon. You can never go wrong with a shotgun.
You carry in the shot and you know, like a shotgun in the truck. It don't matter, you know.
Yeah.
Y'all comment down below.
3.
All right, so now we loading up the 12 gauge, getting ready for a couple of practice rounds. Y'all stay tuned, man. What we shooting here? We shooting Fiochi, some practice ammo.
Yeah, it was a little cheap, you know.
Only 15 for the box. You know, we got the Draco to try out. We're gonna try out this 12 gauge, 43, 10mm, Glock 19, and then we got the 27 over there.
Yeah.
All firearms are empty. We're gonna load them up, get ready for some shooting. Let's do it. Remember, earring protection first, and always point in a safe direction. Oh, he hit the target of that one. Oh, yeah.
Yes, sir. Okay, this one only holds 5.
All right, so this one holds 5. It's a little bit different. Hey.
Let's see if we hit anything. Hey.
Aim it a little bit lower.
Nope.
Nothing. Oh, yeah, that was the one.
Okay, that was a little bit better.
Yup.
Is that this one's harder to aim? You gotta guess it. That was just plain miss. Out of 5, I only hit 1. Let us know what kind of shotgun you like. If you like the sawed-off ones, or if you like one where you can actually have a stock. You know?
Yeah, y'all comment down below. Hey, welcome to the channel. We about to have a gun range day. Y'all stay tuned, man. Look at the arsenal that we got. We got the Draco.